Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Oksana. Today I have for you a quick and simple yoga sequence for neck and shoulders. Let's get started. Please consult your doctor and make sure that the practice is suitable for you. Take care and enjoy. Let's begin our practice in comfortable cross-legs position, relaxing the palms over the knees, closing your eyes. Take a slow inhale through the both nostrils and complete exhale. Start letting go, noticing how you're feeling today through the shoulders, neck, upper back. As you exhale, drop your chin down to the chest. As you inhale, lift and open through the throat. And again, drop your chin down, stretching the back of the neck, and then gently dropping the head back. Relax through the shoulders. Feel free to keep your eyes closed, noticing any muscular tension through the space that we're targeting today. And again, inhaling chin up, exhale chin down. Let's cross our fingers over the top of the head and very gently press your head down. Go a little bit deeper into the back of the neck stretch. Make sure that your spine is long, back is straight, shoulders relaxed. As you inhale, open up through the heart, widening the elbows, and as you exhale, squeeze everything in. Inhale to open, and exhale, hug everything in. And again, opening through the chest, expanding, exhaling, dropping the chin, slightly rounding through the upper back. And last one. Release your hands. Roll the chin over the right shoulder, and then roll your chin over the left shoulder. As you inhale, chin over the right, and exhale, chin over the left. Half circle. And the last circles to your left, back to the center, and let's take a half circle through the back of the neck, rolling from the right shoulder to the left. Keep your breath deep, and if you feel tension rising up, keep letting go as you exhale. And let's go for the full circles, rolling the head through the chest, left shoulder back, right shoulder, and back to the center. As you're inhaling, chin up, and as you're exhaling, chin rolling down. And let's reverse other direction. Well done, guys. Then find your center. And let's drop the right ear to the right shoulder, keeping both shoulders away from the ears. Now bring the right hand over the top of the head and very gently pull the head away from the left shoulder. Extend your left arm. And now imagine that you're slapping the water, start paddling through the left arm, exploring the sensations, and keep breathing out that tension which is holding you back. Wrap your arm behind your back. Let's go a little bit deeper into the stretch. Make sure that your face is relaxed and shoulders are really soft. Release your left arm, right arm, helping yourself back to the center. Take a deep inhale and deep exhale. Let's switch left ear to the left shoulder. Left arm over the top of the head. Very gently press your left ear down. Extending your right arm out. And start paddling through the right arm. Keep observing the feelings rising up, and very important to stay connected with your breath. Let's hug our back with the left arm, getting deeper into the neck side stretch. And let's unwind your right arm. Help your head using the right hand to bring yourself back. Take a moment and take a slow inhale and very slow exhale. Now let's bring the hands clasped behind our back over the left hip and dropping the right ear to the right shoulder. Notice how this move feels for you, how it works for you. Sending your breath to that space, and let's see how much tension we will let it go today. And let's switch. Hands over the right hip and left ear over the left shoulder. Beautiful, guys. Slowly start releasing. Let's take a big inhale, reaching through the both arms. And as you exhale, bring your palms to the heart, clasp your fingers, round your spine, and press your palms away from the chest. Inhale, reach up through the palms, open through the heart. Exhale, chin tuck, back stretch. And again, inhale, lift and open. Exhale, squeeze in. Inhale, let your heart to shine. Exhale, drop your chin in. Press your palms away from the heart. Let's cross our wrists and catch the elbows. Press your elbows back, pulsing. Now drop the hands down and press up over the head. Again, down and up. Down and up. Releasing any tension from the shoulders, coming from the daily routine or maybe from fitness routine. And I promise you'll feel really good practicing this sequence just every morning before you start your day. Bringing the both hands behind the hips, lifting the heart, dropping the head, shoulders down. And let's bring the right arm up, catching the right elbow with the left hand. Bringing that elbow behind your head and gently pressing your head back. Now let's try to catch both hands behind the back. Watch my video till the end and I will show you a quick tutorial how to use a towel or any belt to make that fingers meet. Let's release that hold behind the back, shoulders rotation. Start collecting all feelings coming up to you right now. And then simply switching the sides, lifting the left arm, bending the elbow, catching that elbow with the right hand. And let's try to catch that fingers behind the back. Lifting the heart, opening through the chest, breathing deeply. Well done, guys. Let's take again our shoulders rotation. And let's take one big inhale together and bring the palms to the heart. Thank you everyone for joining my practice. I wish you have a beautiful day. Bye bye. Hello again. So let me show you a very simple way how to prop yourself when you're doing shoulder stretch. When you cannot reach your hands, there is a very good way how to use your own t-shirt or yoga strap. So here we're gonna just catch that t-shirt with both hands and reach our hands toward to each other as close as you can. Keeping the back straight, now you can enjoy the stretch. Thank you guys for watching me. I hope you enjoyed.